Hi there, welcome back to part 2 of this training video on the British curriculum and IGCSE. In this segment, we shall cover the following: 1. The highlight of the differences between the British curriculum and the Nigerian curriculum. 2. How to become a British curriculum teacher. 3. Who is an IGCSE certified educator or teacher? 4. The smart way to apply for a teaching post that requires British curriculum knowledge. 5. Some terms used by British curriculum educators and schools you must know. So, let's get to work. What are the differences between the British curriculum and the Nigerian curriculum? The differences reflect in the following areas: 1. Content, textbooks used and subjects. 2. Methods of teaching and learning. 3. Lesson plan structure. 4. Final examinations and assessment structure. 5. Names of terms used in a session for each school season or session. 6. Classroom and school environment outlook. And 7. Method of discipline adopted. Other differences: in the British curriculum system, Key Stage 1 represents Primary 1 and 2. Key Stage 2 represents Primary 3 to 6. Key Stage 3 represents JSS 1 to 3, while Key Stage 4 is SSS 1 to 3. While the British system uses key stages to describe the education level of students, the Nigerian system use primary, basic, and secondary terms. How to become a British curriculum teacher. To become a British curriculum teacher, you need to become an IGCSE certified educator. And this will cost you some dollars or pounds. Who is an IGCSE certified educator or teacher? An IGCSE certified educator is a CIE-trained professional teacher who has been certified to teach a prescribed subject in an international British school anywhere in the globe. He or she can also be called a British curriculum teacher because he or she has been empowered to deliver lessons based on the British curriculum using international best practices and 21st century teaching and learning skills. However, if you are not able to get trained and certified by CIE to become an IGCSE teacher, another temporal option is to know and do the following. So, to become a sound BC educator you must study the following: 1. Syllabus scheme of work in your subject area. 2. Be familiar with the exam question patterns and the number of papers involved in each subject. 3. Get the mark scheme for the subject you want to teach or are teaching. 4. Learn how to deliver a British curriculum lesson. This must be learners-centered, and learners must be engaged during lessons, learning resources must be used, and lessons must be diversified, interesting and applied to real-life situations where possible, etc. 5. Next is to know and master the use of the 21st century teaching and learning skills. 6. Get the required textbooks and study them cover to cover, etc. Also, master the following British curriculum lesson plan terms and try using them when teaching. 1. WILF, what I am looking for. This is what the teacher expect his learners to be able to do after the lesson objectives. 2. WALT, we are learning to blah blah blah. This is written to show what the students will learn during the lesson, e.g. we are learning to write an informal letter or add 2-digit numbers or know about how to bake bread or know about units of measurement, etc. 3. Reflection, this has to do with examining and evaluating your lessons before and especially after teaching to see how to improve it next time. 4. Differentiation, lessons should be planned to accommodate both weak and strong learners. No learner should be disadvantaged during lessons, etc. You must know and use the 21st century skills, which include I. Communication and collaboration skills. E. Critical thinking and problem-solving skills. E. Global citizenship skills. IV. ICT skills. V. Leadership skills. V. Creativity skills. V. Global citizenship, etc. You must learn all these skills and be able to apply them to your lessons. You will get comprehensive material for them after completing this training. These skills are parts of what makes British curriculum teachers better than those using the Nigerian curriculum. They are international teaching skills that can be used by teachers anywhere in the globe. Now, let's look at the smart way to apply for a teaching post that requires having knowledge of the British curriculum. To do this, you need to rebrand your CV by stating in it that you have knowledge of the British curriculum. Add some British curriculum terms into it and the 21st century skills you possess. If you know the key stage, you teach, state it. E.g., if you teach math in JSS1 and SS1, you can state that you teach KS3 and 4 maths. Try to read through the requirements for the position you want to apply for and adjust your CV and application letter to suit them, but don't lie. Only state what you know and what you can defend. Also, in your application letter, remember to state what you know about the British curriculum. But you must have studied your syllabus, IGCSE and checkpoint past questions and textbooks very well before you can boldly say you have knowledge of the British curriculum. Finally, try to do some findings of any school that invites you to an interview. Learn how to speak with the right diction. This will give you a powerful advantage in international schools. If you have mother tongue interference speech problems in pronouncing some letters, learn and fix them. Be confident when answering oral questions. Be lively and not dull. Dress smart and modestly. Once again, teaching the British curriculum is a subject-based thing and not otherwise. You all have the courses you read and know the subjects concerned. The end.